Good morning. Today I'm going to try and replace the master switch on my 2005 Corolla. I've never done it before. Went out on YouTube. It looks like a simple operation, and it's much cheaper than the $800 my dealer wanted to charge me. So first thing I have to do is pry off this cover piece here. So I'm going to do that by using where's my camera? Flathead screwdriver. Okay. It was pretty easy. I just used the flathead screwdriver and pried it off. And as you can see, okay, I need to remove the plastic cover thing from the actual switch. So I'm going to do that. I have the new switch. Hold on a second. Okay. I couldn't figure out why it was so awkward, but then I realized I missed a step here. This little electrical thingy, has a small button on the side, and I'm going to need to push that and disconnect it from the electrical. I'm going to do that. Okay, finally got this electrical connector dealie off of the old switch. It was a bugger. It was like stuck in there with, I don't know, some strong Toyota factory worker really cramped it in there. But it finally came off. It didn't just pop off like they showed in videos, but it came off. So now I have the fake plastic do-funny. I have the electrical, I have the little spot, so now I'm going to put my new switch on. And the way I understand it, here's the new switch. There's the electrical connectors, so I just need to plug the connectors into that white thing. So I'm going to do that. I'm the only one holding this video, so I can't do it with one hand. Okay, this little white, where's my thing, white piece here. Before you try to reinstall the new switch, or install the new switch, you need to pull the bottom of it all the way out until it makes a click. I'm not going to take it out again because it was so hard the first time. So once I did that, it popped right in. So fingers crossed. I hope it's connected. We will see. Yay! I tried it. All the windows work. Yahoo! So all I got to do is put this little sucker back together and put the screws in. So that means I have to put the fake wood plastic do-funny on it. So I'm going to do that next. I'm so excited. Hold on.